Hi everybody and welcome to another video. So today I have a few things to do that I've been putting off and putting off. One of my cats has been getting her nails stuck all over the place trying to scratch the couches. So I have to clip her nails, and my other cat, Callie, has been a little bit dirty and stinky, so I think it's about time to wash him. So I figured I would record this and maybe give some tips or maybe just show you the process. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. One thing I did want to mention before I started clipping Kiki's nails is that you do have to be careful on clipping cats' nails. They do have something which is called a quick, which is basically like a blood vessel in all of their nails, and if you accidentally clip that, they can start to bleed and it's hard to get under control. It'll be easier to give you a diagram, so I will leave a diagram right here. It's pretty simple to see when you're actually clipping your cat's nails, but sometimes if you don't know what you're looking for, it could be hard. Cat's nails are usually clear, so you could kind of see that it's pink, like in a certain area, and just clear on the other side. So you steer clear of the pink, but I will leave that diagram here. So I got my cat Kiki here, and she's a pretty laid-back cat in general, but it is a little bit of a struggle to do her nails. So the way I do it is I'm on the couch. I use my left arm to kind of hold her from behind so that she can't move back, but I'm not holding her like by the neck. And I use that same hand to hold her nails and the other hand, my right hand or the dominant hand, to clip them. She is chill, but she will growl throughout this process. She is a lot of talk, not a lot of action. So let's get into cutting her nails. So I've got my clippers and I'm just going to start by making sure that her nail is pushed out and clipping each one as quickly as possible. Just give them a break if they need to. And she's a lot of talk, but she's not a lot of action. There you go. Good girl. Okay. And there you go, simple as that. All that fuss. So now her nails won't get stuck. Okay, thank you, Kiki. So I just quickly wanted to come on and explain what I'm doing before I get the cat, because once I get the cat, I'm going to have to go quickly. So yes, cats usually do groom themselves, but there are occasional times where they come in from outside, or even just being inside, they get a little stinky and dirty and they need to be washed. So Callie has gotten to this point. She has been out more since the warm weather, so she's starting to stink and get a little bit dirty. So I'm going to bathe her and let's see how this goes. So I've got the lukewarm water with a little bit of Dawn in it. And then I've also got the towel ready. And I've also sectioned off the house so that she can't run into the bedrooms. Okay, so this is Callie, and we're going to see how this goes. So I'm going to kind of use the same technique I did with Kiki with her nails and kind of hold her so that she doesn't get back. And I'm just going to quickly hold her by the chest and just kind of rinse quickly, speed. And with Kiki, I use the sprayer because I can use it, but I don't think that this is going to work with Callie, so I'm just going to have to rinse her off nice and quickly. Good girl, Callie. I might actually try the spray and see how this goes because it'll be a little bit quicker. So I'm just rinsing. There is a little bit of soap in there to begin with, so it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. we go. That's all good. Yeah, good girl. Okay. There's a little bit of soap. She's not too dirty. She just started to stink a little bit. But I'm going to add just a tiny bit more. And just rub it in now that she's all sudsy wet. Just gently put the water. And they don't have to stay totally still, because they won't. Let them move just a tad. And I found that if they hold their front paws out, they're more responsive to it if they think that they're gonna get out, but they don't, or they're not able to get out. The thing is to trick them thinking that they're gonna get out, but they don't. So I'm going to start training this. And I'm going to lightly put the sprayer on so that I can rinse off very lightly. Just going to dribble it over her and be a little bit higher. So all the soap is getting out of her. There we go, good girl. Make sure all the soap is off. You can see her. Kind of. It should have hit the other side, Kelly. Okay, almost done, almost done. Make sure just to get all that soap off. Okay, so now I'm just gonna grab the towel. It's okay, it's okay. Transfer quickly. Come here. Okay, now you've got one clean and maybe slightly irritated cat. Yeah, I know. Overall, I think that was quite successful. I did get a little wet, which is why I changed my shirt, but I did not get scratched or bitten, so I would say that was a success. So that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.